Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you. Always be happy. So viewer, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fashion design ideas. Lovely viewers, thankful to you for subscribe my channel and watching all my previous videos. And also think about I have brought it for you most gorgeous, unique and splendid lock handbag design ideas. It sounds like you're interested in unique and stylish lock handbag ideas. Locks on handbag not only add a functional element to secure your belonging but also contribute to the bag aesthetic appeal. Here are some lock handbag ideas for you. Choose a handbag with a prominent padlock detail on the front. This classic design adds a touch of sophistication and a sense of security. Opt for a handbag with a decorative keyhole lock. This vintage-inspired design can give your bag a timeless and elegant look. Consider a handbag with a combination lock for a romantic and charming aesthetic. This design can be particularly appealing for special occasions. Look for a handbag this add an edgy and urban feel to the bag. Choose a handbag with an engraved or personalized lock detail. These allow you to add a custom touch as your initial or special symbol. It's an amazing collection. Select a handbag with a lock that incorporate tassels. This combination of elements add a playful and trendy vibe to your bag. Opt for a handbag adorned with multiple minted lock for a unique and eye-catching design. This work well on structured bag with clean line. Look for a handbag that come with a matching lock and key set. These not only add a decorative element but also allow you to secure your belonging. These articles master so amazing, so stunning ideas. Opt for the handbag with lock that have an antique or vintage appearance. This style can give your bag a timeless and sophisticated feel. Opt for a handbag with a cage like lock design. This unconventional and modern approach add an element or intrigue to your bag. Select a handbag with a shaped lock for a bit of luck and a stylish twist. This can be a charming addition to various bag style. Choose a handbag with a turn lock closure for a classic and practical design. This type of lock is both secure and easy to use. For those people who love lock handbag design ideas, this is very beautiful, amazing design. So dear friend, if you want to complete visiting my YouTube channel, that link in description box. And also if you want my new video, visit my YouTube channel creation. I hope you will enjoy these amazing ideas. You can see beautiful and stunning design ideas. You know guys, different people have different choice. So guys, share the video with your friend, family who want lock handbag design ideas. So guys, like my video, subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for new latest update. Be connected with me, remember me in your prayer friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz and take care. Allah bless you.